Hi, Hannah. You want to say hi to everybody? Hello. Hannah's 4.5 months old. This is October 26th, 2007. She's having some fun time on her big rug. Right? Smile. Hi, baby. Hi. You want to say hi? Hi, honey. Yeah, you say it. Come on, tell me some more. Come on. Talk, baby. No more right now? No? Who's my pretty girl? Who's my pretty girl? Look at that pretty outfit with your ruby shoes. Little teddy bears on them. Hi, pretty girl. And your backwards bib. It's like a cape. Super baby.